The iPhone 17 lineup. Set to be unveiled at Apple's awe-dropping event on September 9th, 2025, promises significant updates, marking one of the most exciting launches since the iPhone X. The series will likely include 4 smartphone models: iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Air, iPhone 17 Pro, and iPhone 17 Pro Max. This shift rolls out the iPhone 17 Air, a sleek, mid-tier model designed to balance affordability and premium features. The iPhone 17 Air will sport a 6.6-inch display and an ultra-thin 6.25 chassis, making it the slimmest iPhone ever, though it may have a smaller 800 mAh battery and a single 48 MP rear camera. The standard or base iPhone 17 is expected to feature a 6.3-inch display, up from 6.1 inches, aligning its size with the iPhone 17 Pro. The iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max will retain 6.3-inch and 6.9-inch displays, respectively, with the Pro Max potentially boasting a 5000 mAh battery for enhanced longevity. OLED displays rumored. All models are rumored to feature LTPO OLED displays with ProMotion technology, bringing a 120 Hz refresh rate to the entire lineup for smoother scrolling and video playback. This marks a departure from ProMotion being exclusive to Pro models. The OLED 19 and a 19 Pro chipsets will power the devices, with the Pro models likely including 12 GB of RAM to support advanced Apple Intelligence features, while the base and Air models stick with 8 GB. A key new rumored feature, reverse wireless charging, reportedly available on the Pro models, which would give them the ability to charge AirPods or Apple Watch. One of the coolest new features rumored for the iPhone 17 Pro models is the ability to reverse wireless charge your AirPods, and Apple Watch. Camera upgrades include a 24 MP true depth front camera across all models, and for the Pro variants, a 48 MP triple camera system with enhanced telephoto capabilities, possibly supporting 8x optical zoom and 8K video recording. Astrophotography enhancements are also expected. Design-wise, the Pro models may feature a two-tone back with a prominent camera bar, while the Air prioritizes a lightweight titanium frame. A new camera island design and bold color options, including a striking orange for the Pro models, are anticipated. Pricing is expected to remain stable, with the base iPhone 17 at $799, the Air at $899, $949, the Pro at $1,099 with 256 GB base storage, and the Pro Max at $1,199. These rates and versions will be confirmed only on Tuesday, September 9, 2025, at the Apple keynote. With these reported advancements, the iPhone 17 series aims to redefine Apple's smartphone experience, catering to diverse user needs.